Very warm morning to all our directors, teaching staff and non-teaching staff. This is G. Amrit of Senior Intern and I am here to thank everyone, namely Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Radha madam and Krishna sir. And we are very thankful for you for conducting our online classes and supporting us in this pandemic situation, sir. You are working very hard to conduct these online classes very successfully and effectively, which are very helpful to us. Recently I had started doubt sessions, which are more helpful to us. The way the planning, the schedules of our classes and exams are really very useful and very comfortable for us. And thank you very much. Even the teachers, they are teaching from their homes in this pandemic situations. Thank you very much for your support, and also that is why we all love you so much. You all take care of us like your children. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I am Hasina from Senior MEC. First of all, I want to convey my regards to all the directors. A happy Teachers' Day. Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Krishna sir, and Radha ma'am. And I'm also thankful to all the directors for providing online classes in this pandemic situation. I know that it's a tough time to everyone, but also you have provided online classes very successfully. We all students love your lots of your efforts in providing the online classes very successfully to all the students. These online classes are very helpful to build up our careers, and also thankful for making a perfect planned schedule for classes, not only for classes but also for exams. Recently I have started doubts clarification session. This session also very useful to clarify our doubts. Not only directors but also I am thankful to all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Because of them, these online classes have went very successfully, and I'm also thankful to the host sir because he has solved each and every problem in between the class, and I'm thankful to Masterminds management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you sir, and thanks a lot.
A very good morning sir. This is Mansa from Senior MEC. First of all, I would like to convey my regards to all our directors. A very happy Teachers' Day to Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Radha ma'am and Krishna sir. The knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give make you the best directors. You are not only the directors, but you are parents to us because you are giving best in every situation. We are very proud to be the part of Masterminds, and we are strongly believing that Masterminds is the best platform to fulfill our dreams. You are doing the best to fulfill our dreams. You are taking best efforts to turn us into responsible citizens. Thank you sir for providing wonderful teaching faculty and non-teaching faculty because they are helping us to build our beautiful career. Even in this pandemic situation, you are conducting online classes which are really helping us, and also the chapter and exams helping us to revise the syllabus, and it is easy to prepare for the final exams. You are not only giving quality education to us but also teaching morals, ethics and human values which are really important in the society. We are giving the best academic programs, study plans and many different programs which improve to our skills. Thank you sir for understanding the financial problems of every parent in this current situation. Feeling very proud sir because even in this pandemic situation, you are running the institute very softly by overcoming all these struggles. I am very thankful and grateful and proudful to be the part of Masterminds and the student of Masterminds. Thank you sir.
Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri of Senior MEC studying in Masterminds. I am very honored on this auspicious day to wish our teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you dear teachers, you are the reason for our good career, and it's my utmost duty to thank our Masterminds directors Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Krishna sir and Radha ma'am for providing us a medium so that there would be no setback in the online classes. Thank you dear directors, and you have been striving so hard for our success, and be sure we'll give you the satisfaction you want. Thank you dear directors, and once again I wish every teacher a happy Teachers' Day, and I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you.
This is Meghna from Senior MEC. First of all, I like to convey my wishes to all our directors, Mohan sir, Krishna sir, Prakash sir and Radha ma'am. You are taking care of us like our parents, not like our teachers. You have been with us every second. We have seen in the first year how you have taken care of us, but in this pandemic situation also you are working hard for us and providing classes. And you are providing doubt clarification sections which are very useful and very easy to clarify all our doubts. You are helping us not only in academics but also in ethics and moral values which help to build our beautiful career. I like to thank not only our directors, our teaching and non-teaching staff who are struggling a lot in this pandemic situation. You people are backbone for the many students to build their beautiful career. And we are very happy for choosing this institution and very glad of being part of it. We always love you, sir, and we always respect you.
Hello, this is Jahnavi studying in Masterminds, and I feel proud to say that I am the student of Masterminds. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. First of all, I am very thankful to all my academic directors, in charges and teaching and non-teaching staff who directly or indirectly helps me to reach my goal. Even in this pandemic situation, they are conducting online examinations and online classes to each and every student and makes the students not to frail at the time of final examinations. They are not just satisfied by conducting of online classes. They have been started the feedback forms and classes for doubts to clarify the doubts of children and make them to write without tension of final examinations. They always used to say that morals are very important in one's life, so they had also included the motivational speeches as a part of academic schedule. This helps to every student to enlighten their future. And finally, I want to say that very thankful to the Masterminds team.
My name is Sahiti. I really proud to say that I am the student of Masterminds. First of all, the word Masterminds itself, it says that the person who has the plan. Radha ma'am, Mohan sir, Prakash sir and Krishna sir. We are all very thankful to you as you are conducting online classes even in this pandemic situation. Explaining doubts by taking a separate sessions, conducting exams twice a week, sending PDFs as we are not having materials with us, all the teaching and non-teaching staff. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. The teachers explaining everything pin to pin point and showing love and affection and treating us as their children. Thank you for that. And all the teachers, thank you, who are being a part of our successful journeys. Thank you.
This is Manjulata from Senior MSc. Good evening to respected Krishna sir, Mohan sir, Prakash sir and Radha. Thank you for conducting online classes. I am very lucky to study in Masterminds Institute. The doubt clarification section is very important to us to clarify our doubts. Our faculty is supporting very much to clarify our doubts. In this pandemic situation, conducting direct online classes are very hard, but online classes are understanding. Our management are conducting examinations. These exams, we know that the understanding of the started by us. Thanks for management and non-teaching staff for working in this pandemic situation. Once again, thank you for Mohan sir, Prakash sir, Krishna sir and Radha.
This is Naushan studying Senior MEC in Masterminds. First of all, conveying all my regards to all the directors, teaching and non-teaching staff. The directors Mohan sir, Krishna sir, Prakash sir and Radha ma'am, we are very thankful to you. The very reason we are standing here and able to thank you describes how you play a role in our lives. We can't thank you in our words because our words are not sufficient to gratitude you. You people gave us knowledge and most importantly wisdom. In this pandemic situation also, you are providing the online classes in a very comfortable way and a very convenient schedule for exams and newly presented the doubts clarification classes. We can't say how much useful those are to us. You people motivated us a lot as we can achieve anything in our life. Because of you people, we developed a passion for learning, exploring questions and asking doubts. Thank you for being the most incredible advisor and motivator. And also you people are very open that you allow us to share our opinions, ideas and thoughts. Only because of you we are in a very comfort zone even in this pandemic situation. Thank you for your very unconditional support.
Morning Prakash sir. First of all, I feel very happy to be a part of Masterminds and we feel very happy to have a mentors like you with such a hardworking nature and continuous efforts for students. Always you are with us in guiding us in a good way, motivating us and you learned us a good discipline. Always you treated us just like your children. We feel very happy for this. And the study years you provided, the academic year planning you gave us was very good. And you are providing continuous online classes and doubts clarification sessions even in such a pandemic situation. And we just can't say thanks for this. And this is the occasion to wish the entire Masterminds management a very happy Teachers' Day.
Respected eminence of masterminds, Radha ma'am, Mohan sir, Krishna sir, Prakash sir, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, who joined hands to help us in this epidemic situation. And a very happy Teachers' Day to all our beloved teachers. We the students of Senior Enter MEC are thankful for supporting us, guiding us, motivating us all the time. At first, we were so panicked about this academic year. But Masterminds institution came with the idea of online classes. It was very successfully completing this academic year with no issues. And also our teachers are boosting us with many examples and new ideas for each and every question. So we were so blessed to have such here good faculty, supportful hosts and wonderful teachers. We follow each and every director's speeches, suggestions, motivations to build our careers.